we should look at this captivating word. Rivet.
Rivet, in other words. Direct one's eyes or attention, intently. Or hold someone's attention. Next, attract and completely engross someone. Fasten with a rivet or rivets. Lastly, direct one's attention on something.
Knowing similar meaning words make our speech varied. Let's take a look at equivalent words of rivet. Stud. Center. Focus. Pore. Center.
These are few examples usually you encounter in relation to rivet. We should get to know more about each of these examples in some other sessions. Now we find ourselves at a rectangular plate containing an iron rivet. Furthermore, he was riveted by the newsreels shown on television. The riveted plates of the floor. A device for punching rivet holes. Lastly, the grip on her arm was firm enough to rivet her to the spot.